students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So today's question is to find the mean of the following data. So in this, we have a interval kind of class and a frequency. To find the mean, formula for mean we know is x bar is equals to summation fi xi divided by summation fi. So here we have fi, that is our frequency. We are supposed to find xi. To find xi, formula is upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So this is how we will find xi. So let's find xi for all the data. So 5 plus 1 6, 6 divided by 2 will become 3. 10 plus 6 is 16, 16 divided by 2 will become 8. 15 plus 11 is 26 and 26 divided by 2 will be 13. Similarly, 20 plus 16, 36 by 2 will be 18. And next 21 plus 25 divided by 2 will become 23. So here we have summation. Now we are supposed to find fi xi. Fi xi, which is the multiplication of this fi and xi. So 4 into 3, 4 3 is the, it will become 12. 8 into 3 will become 24. 13 into 2 will become 26. 18 into 1 will become 18. And 23 into 5 will become 115. 23 into 5 will become 115. Now we need summation of this all terms and summation of all of these terms. So since we know x bar is equals to summation fi xi divided by summation fi. Summation of fi, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus more 3 will be 10 and 10 plus 5 will be 15. So summation fi is 15. Now we are supposed to find summation of fi xi. So 5 plus 8 13 plus 6 19 23 25. So 2 carried and 5 here. 1 2 2 plus 2 4 6 7 8 and 9 and 1. So it is 195. So this is equals to 195 divided by 15. 5 3s are 5 3 9. Okay, and 3 1s are and 3 13s are. So our x bar will be 13. 13 is our correct answer. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.